So my name is Joe Gallaher. I'm the founder of Gallaher Fleet Solutions in Statesville, North Carolina. We're an independent diesel truck and trailer repair shop, focused on diesel engines, trucks, trailers, anything that's commercially owned and runs on diesel.
Our team of highly skilled technicians is trained to handle everything from routine maintenance to major engine repairs. We use the latest diagnostic tools and equipment to ensure that your vehicle gets the best care possible. What sets us apart from other repair shops is our commitment to quality, exceptional customer service, and sense of urgency to get your truck done. In addition to our top-notch service, we offer mobile road service, bringing our expertise directly to you wherever you are. We understand the importance of keeping your truck on the road, and we always go above and beyond to get the job done right the first time. Whether you need a simple oil change or a complex engine replacement, you can trust Gallaher Fleet Solutions to deliver the highest level of service.